Well, hi, Miss Pearson. How are you?
I'm good. How are you, Miss Bud?
I'm doing well. Look, you've made a cool thing there.
Well, it seems pretty cool.
Ooh, it stopped spinning. Can we get it spinning
Let's see
again?
if we can get it spinning again.
Okay.
There we
Oh my
go.
gosh, that is so cool. Well, what is that?
Well, I think that it is a motor.
It's a motor. Let me look. Ooh, look at this. Now let me see here. You've got a bunch of magnets right there.
Mm-hmm.
Those are those really fancy ones.
Neodymium magnets.
Okay.
But I think any type of magnet works. I just like these.
And let me see. It looks like you've got a battery. So you have an electric current coming through the wire. Ooh, oh my goodness. It's going so fast. It's like going so fast. It's like spinning off of the thing.
There we go.
Okay, so an electric current is coming through the yellow wire, and I guess that electric current is going up the paper clip and around there. Now let me see. I know there's something important about an electric current.
Now, we know that an electric current generates a magnetic field.
That's it. An electric current makes a magnetic field. So that means really that little coil right there is almost becoming like a little magnet, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
With a north and a south pole. Oh, that's kind of cool. All right, now, if it has a north and a south pole, so, ooh.
There we go.
So if this little coil of wire is sort of like a magnet with a north and south pole, and I'm just going to stop it from, look at it. Oh, it's trembling. So if we pretend like that,
the north sparking, can you guys see that?
We got it going on now. So if this is like a little magnet, and that's maybe we'll pretend it's north magnetic pole, and this is a north magnetic pole, then they would repel each other and push away. Okay. So then if that pushes away,
give it just a little flip there.
Okay.
There we go.
Oh, that is cool. So it kind of, this magnetic field in the coil and this magnetic field right there,
they are interacting.
Oh, and if I touched it and it just kept on going.
I think we've got it lined up good now.
Oh my gosh. All right, so I can see that it repels, and then it would kind of repel and get up to there, but I wonder what makes it so it gets to the top, and then I wonder why it spins, though. I wonder why it doesn't just go once and stop.
So what I've noticed here on the sides is that it looks like there is some coating, red coating, but then I can see the copper wire over here on the end and copper wire over here on the end. So if we stop that and look,
I can tell.
Okay, so you can see one side that has just copper wire. And then if you flip it over, okay, you've got some coating there.
So it's almost like we're turning this magnet off and on, off and on, off and on. Because when it hits the part of the wire that has the coating on it, that's an insulator. That's not letting the electric current flow. So the coil, it's like the magnet is going off, on, off, on, off, on. I think I know. I think what happens is when it's on, it probably, I just can't believe how fast it's spinning. It probably repels or is attracted, and it starts to come up.
And then it shuts off.
And then it shuts off, and gravity just goes, oh, boom, and then it goes down. And then there's the magnetic field taking over, and then it shuts off, and then it's gravity. So it's kind of like magnetism, gravity, magnetism, gravity, magnetism, gravity. So we don't have a commutator on this one like a real motor. We don't have a commutator that constantly switches north to south. But instead, we just have it going on, off, on, off. So we let the magnetism...
Because of the coating on the wire.
Yeah. So we let the magnetism kind of do part of the spin, and then we're just letting gravity kind of do part. I just love this. Should we name it?
Sure. I'll let you name it.
Oh, well,
I don't know.
Fred the Fantastic. Fred the Fantastic Motor.
There we go. Hey, I think we could market this.
I think we could. Maybe, this might be useful. We could do things with this. Well, that's all I have to say.
That's all I've got, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. You can make this at home if you've got all the materials. Pretty simple. And it's something that we rely on every day. Have a good day.